Namaskar and Salam. In today's video, we'll take the Hindi A and I mātrā and how they are written in Urdu. The Hindi A and I mātrā are written with badi ye in Urdu. Although it is possible to make distinction between A and I mātrā in Urdu by adding zabar to I mātrā, the distinction between these two completely disappear in spelling because zabar is extremely rarely written. Another thing to keep in mind that the use of badi ye to express A and I mātrā will come only in the middle and at the end of the words. We'll first take the use of badi ye in the middle. This use of badi ye in the middle will become clear with examples. Let's take some words now. We will first start with the words in which the full Hindi vowels are written. The first word is ek, meaning one. The spelling is alif plus badi ye plus kaf. The first letter is alif and the second letter is badi ye. Since the previous letter is alif, which is non-connector, badi ye will not be connected to alif and it will take the shape of initial form, which is sosha with two nuktas, two dots below. After that, badi ye will be connected to the last letter kaf. Kaf will take the final form. So alif plus badi ye plus kaf, ek. The second word is aisa. This time it is I, that means alif will have zabar. The spelling is alif plus badi ye plus seen plus alif. So you write the first letter alif, then badi ye. Badi ye will not connect to alif because alif is non-connector. It will be written as sosha with two nuktas below. The badi ye will connect to the next letter, that is seen, and after seen it is alif again. So seen will also be written as medial. And the final alif will connect to seen. So alif plus badi ye plus seen plus alif, aisa. Let's now take both these words together. You can see how ek and aisa are written. And the distinction between A and I is zabar on I. As you already know that the short vowels zabar, zair and pesh are rarely written, you can write I without zabar too. In fact, it is very rarely written with zabar. So the distinction between A and I disappears in spelling. From now onwards, we will also not make this distinction. We'll simply need to know when it is A and when it is I. Let's now take some more words. The first word is lena, the verb lena, to take. The spelling is lam plus badi ye plus noon plus alif. So you write lam as the initial letter, then badi ye as medial, which is sosha with two nuktas. Then you write noon as medial, that means a sosha with a nukta above. And the final letter is alif, which will be connected to noon. So lam plus badi ye is le, and then noon is connected to badi ye, and noon plus alif is na. So le na, lena. The next word is nek, meaning virtuous. The spelling is noon plus badi ye plus kaf. So you write noon as initial and connect it to badi ye, which is written in the medial form. That means a sosha with two nuktas below. And badi ye will connect with the final letter kaf. Kaf will take the final form. So noon plus badi ye is ne, and then kaf, nek, nek. The next word is kaisa, meaning how. The question word, the interrogative word how. This time the Hindi vowel is I, but it does not make any difference. You again use badi ye to write I vowel in Hindi. So the spelling is kaf plus badi ye plus seen plus alif. So kaf will take the initial form followed by badi ye as the medial, that is sosha with two nuktas below. After ye, seen will again take the medial form, then alif as the final letter. So kaf plus badi ye ka, then seen plus alif sa, ka, sa, kaisa. And the last word is paisa, meaning money. Here again the vowel is I, which is written with badi ye. The spelling is pay plus badi ye plus seen plus alif. So you write pay as the initial letter, then badi ye as medial, and the third letter seen will also be written as medial because it connects on the both sides with letters. And the last letter alif will be written as the final letter. So pay plus badi ye pa, then seen plus alif sa, pa, sa, paisa. Let's now take badi ye at the end of a word. A and I matra at the end of a word will be written with badi ye as the final letter. That means it takes the final form. Let's take some simple words with A and I matra at the end of a word. The first word is K, the possessive particle for masculine plural. The spelling is kaf plus badi ye, K. The letter kaf will take the initial form and badi ye will take the final form. So kaf plus badi ye, K. The second word is de, the imperative form of the verb dena, to give. It is the most informal form of imperative. The spelling is dal plus badi ye. Since dal is non-connected letter, the letters will be written separately, will not be connected. So dal plus badi ye, de. The next word is chale, the masculine plural past tense form of the verb chalna. Chale, walked. The spelling is che plus lam plus badi ye. So che will be written as the initial form and lam will take the medial form. The last letter badi ye will take the final form. So che plus lam plus badi ye, chale. And the final word is hai, the third person singular form of the verb hona, to be. It means is. The spelling is choti hai plus badi ye. Choti hai will take the initial form and badi ye will take the final form. So choti hai plus badi ye, hai. Let's now take all the words together with badi ye at the end. You can see that all of them have badi ye in their final form, and in Hindi all of them have either a or I matra at the end. The first word is ke, the next one is de, the third one is chale, and the final word is hai. In our next video, we will take the Hindi long I matra in Urdu. The Hindi long I matra in Urdu is written with choti ye, which takes different shape in the beginning, middle, and at the end. See you there. Namaskar and Salam.